Hi guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, today I have a special announcement that I want to share with all of you, everyone. I am here to continue our cybersecurity hub CS hub series. So here we will start in the step by step security related all the topics like ethical hacking, security, web application, network, firewall. So all the security related videos you will get here. If someone is really interested to want an ethical hack to become an ethical hacker in the cybersecurity and uh, want to do a job in security domain, then this is the best opportunity. Instead of wasting your money in very expensive coachings, this is the best way to start your learning. Without wasting our time, let's we can start. So today our topic is introduction of the ethical hacking. What is it and how we can perform it? What is the types of ethical hacking, and what is the roles and responsibilities of the ethical hacking? So we can start. In this video, we will cover up all the ethical hacking security related topics. Now, let's start. What is actual ethical hacking? You see around yourself and you hear lots of persons that they are working in a cybersecurity domain, or their job role is type of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is basically authorized practice of bypassing system security to identify threats, and also known as white hat hacking. Why it is white hat hacking? Just because the tester have all the relevant information related to the application. That's why it is called a white hat hacking. And second, the last one is it is done by the permission. Without permission you can't perform anyone's application security testing or hacking. So that's why it is comes in a ethical hacking. Next one is types of hackers. How many types of hackers or hackings in security domain? So here is white hat hacking, which is ethical hackers. Black hat hacking, which is malicious hackers, and you also known as black hat hacking as a penetration testing, and gray hat hacking is mix of both. So I'm starting to differentiate all the things. White hat hacker, where all the relevant informations have already uh, with with the person who is associated with the application for the security. And black hat is that type of a application where you do not have any knowledge about the application, what is inside, what is outside, what is the workflow of the application, what is the tools, technology, framework used in the application. And the gray hat is mix of both hackings. So let's come on the importance of ethical hacking. How it is important? It is also always prevent data breaches, identify security vulnerabilities, and ensure compliance and reputation protections. Next one is key skills of an ethical hacker. So here is some networking fundamentals you need to understand. Why? What is network fundamentals? If like a firewall, router, or switches, these type of a basics knowledge if you have in the networking, so it will comes in under the networking fundamentals. Apart from there is, you at least have a basic knowledge of the programming. I'm not saying that you need to be a pro in the programming, but at least you have a basic level of knowledge, like how we can how we can write a program, or uh, at least a person have ability to read the source code. That's why this is become a little bit important part of an ethical hacker, to be a programming knowledge. Next one is operating system. You always have a knowledge about the Linux and Windows. Here is some tools that you can always use in to perform an ethical hacker, like Nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark, Burpshoot, and all tools are open source tools. They all are free tools. Next one is common ethical hacking techniques. So here is some conciseness, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and covering tracks. The next one is legal and ethical consideration. So always be with permission, NDA and documentation, following laws like IT Act, GDPR, PCI DSS, all many other laws. There is lots of certifications available in the market to being an ethical hacker, but here is some core certificates that if you want to pursue, then you can do. Here is CEH, which is certified ethical hacking, and it is always I will highly recommend it that you, if you want to pursue CEH, then please read out about the EC Council. The EC Council is an organization who is associated with the CEH, same as OSCP and CompTIA Security and the CIA SSP for broader security roles. Next one is real world applications where you can perform the application security or ethical hacking in uh, free of cost. So here is some bug bounty platform, PT, red team versus blue team, and security audits. So security audits and penetration testing, I will say it will always comes in an organization. When you will work in an organization, then you will definitely do these two things. But like bug bounty, red team versus blue team, Portsfigure, there are lots of platforms which is freely available in on the internet, so you can practice your application security testing on that side. The conclusion is ethical hacking is an essential for a secure digital world. It's a legal skilled professionals help stay ahead of cyber threats, and that's it. Thank you everyone.